Welcome everyone to new Super Trader series. We have with us our super trader Ambalavanan, and he is actually a chemical engineer by profession. But he decided that it was time to get into active trading, and that's how he has progressed from one milestone to the other. And he has been giving everyone a lot of goosebumps, and especially us. And that's why we thought, why don't we call him? Why don't we have a chat with him and find out what exactly are his secret mantras? And thankful to Ambalavanan, he is willing to share with us his secret mantras and also share his journey. So here we are today with Ambalavanan, and I would like to hear from him, and I would also like to share his perspectives with all of you. So over to you, Ambalavanan. Please let us know exactly what is your secret mantra and how are you able to become a consistent and profitable trader. Over to you.
Hello, sir. Good morning. Good morning to all. I am Ambalavanan. My age is 45 years. Last 25 years, I worked in design field. That is a EPC company. Basically, I am a chemical engineer. I opened a demat in 2001. Up to 2001 to 2021, I traded in multi-day only, like delivery-based trade only I did. Then I invested in gold, mutual fund, and corporate bond also. Due to Corona, I lost my job in April. Then I am searching why can't we trade in a share market? We have rich experience in 20 years in delivery-based trade. So we can invest our capital in share market. Instead of doing a business, we can invest in the stock market. Because all business are they are telling loss, like that only they are telling. But they are earning some good money in stock market. So I plan to trade full-time in stock market. At that time, I searched in newspapers and magazines. I found NeoTrader. First, in magazine only, I found NeoTrader software they are providing. So I thought I make a call to chart advice to Meera ma'am. Madam, I am ready to buy NeoTrader software. Please help me, like that I told. Then she helped me a lot. I purchased NeoTrader. Then I don't know how to use it. I purchased a car. I don't know how to drive it. Then Meera ma'am told, you attend 7 steps program. It will be conducted in May month. Like that she told. Then I told, okay, I bought a car. I have to learn driving first. Then I joined in 7 steps program. And first time I attended, I observed only 30% from Raja sir. So with the help of 30%, I traded as a day trading only. Earlier I was a multi-day trade only. Since I don't have job, I am doing full time only. 9:30 to 3:30. 3:30 is my office hours from home. Like it is like a work from home. Daily I will start my trading hours from 9 o'clock to 3:30. I will sit in market. I used NeoTrader one by one. They given live support in Thursday training. That is a live demo for NeoTrader. Then Friday Q&A session. Then 7 steps trading program. Like that they molded me from delivery based trade to intraday trade. Slowly I earned some money. Started with 1,000 rupees profit, 2,000 rupees, 3,000 rupees. Like that only I earned daily. Capital is around, for equity market, I invested around 10 lakhs. Then for commodity, I invested 5 lakhs. Still, I am maintaining that capital because capital is much more I needed. I should not lose that capital. Yes, my first point is we should protect the capital. The training program I enjoyed a lot. I already told in first batch I observed only 30%. They given me lot of videos, then target calculators, then lot of steps, more than 15 steps they teach me. But I took only 2 to 3 steps, whichever is suitable for me, which is making consistent profit. That steps only I am following for the last 4 to 5 months. Then second time also I attended. They told second batch also it was launched. I got message through NeoTrader Premium Group. Then I thought again we have to attend because I observed only 30%. If I attend second time training, I can observe more 60 to 70% to build up the confidence level more. I attended second time also. It is like brushing the brain. April, May, June, I made some profit. After that, started I losing some money. Why I have to lose money? What is the problem for me? Again, attend the training program. Like that, I enrolled for second batch also. From second batch also, that class is entirely different from the first batch. That may lot of methods told. Then second batch, it is completely different. Different means value added, more value added. Heikin Ashi, like that I learned one methodology, Heiken Ashi. Then Ichimoku in very depth manner. Then he told about the timing for intraday, timing for option trade, option trading. Then which method we have to use for intraday, which method we have to use for option trade. Like that, he teached a lot. From that training, I am earning consistently. Since I don't have job, I am earning minimum 1,000 rupees. First, I will target only for 1,000 rupees. From the day start 9:30 minutes, I will start the day with 1,000 rupees profit. Then I will keep on run the profit with up to 1,000, 10,000. Once I reach 10,000 means I will immediately close the trading window and I will go out. That is the methodology I am following for the last 5 months.
So so in a day, at least you have to earn 1,000 rupees. That is your
Yes,
minimum.
minimum. Yes, minimum from
And
9:30.
what has been your maximum in trading?
Yes, in intraday, that is in intraday, in SW Solar, one time I got 25,000 in a single day. I took 1,000 shares for intraday, but
Right.
it went in a single day, it went up to 25 rupees to 35 rupees.
Wow.
Then option trade, first option trade I took from Zerodha only. Then ma'am also helped me a lot. First I purchased NeoTrader, then they linked Zerodha. They told you open a Demat account Zerodha, like that they guided. Immediately I opened. Earlier I will make a call to brokers, sir, please buy this share, sell this share. My time is wasted. So I thought one hand symbol in NeoTrader. I asked why this hand symbol is there. It is blocked for me, like that I asked. They told it is Zerodha. You can open account in Zerodha or Alice Blue, like that they told. Immediately I opened. Earlier the process was manual. Now it is fully automated. Then
Now
I learned.
you are able to do the whole thing in an automated way, and you
Yes.
are also completely independent, right?
Yes, yes.
You're not depending on any brokers, or nor
Brokers,
are you
correct.
depending on anyone else for advising you.
Yes. The time saving, first of all, is a time saving and quick decision. If you see any profit in the screen, I can easily click exit position. That's all, finished. No need to make a call to brokers or please book this profit, like that. Time is wasted. In Zerodha's, just one single click, exit the position, we can enjoy the profit.
Got
That
it.
automation is very best in NeoTrader.
So in a
Whenever
day,
I
how
see
many
that-
trades do you take?
That is maximum. I will first I will analyze. I will take only 5 calls per day. In that, only one stock will fire. The rest 4 I will cut it cost to cost. That one stock only I will hold for the entire day to make more money, from 1,000 rupees to 5,000, 6,000, or up to 10,000. I will run the profit. Once 10,000 reach means I will cut the position, like that. Maximum 5 calls only I will take. In that 5, one will fire, 2 will cost to cost. Sometimes 2 stocks, if they're making any loss, I will take that stock as a delivery. After 2 to 3 days, it will bounce back. I will cut to cost because capital is much needed for me.
Got it.
That is the logic.
Not only for you, for everyone.
Everyone, yes, because
For everyone.
it's
But,
like a business. It's
right.
like a business. We should protect the capital first.
Good. Yes, that's the focus you need, and that's what will come with experience. So as far as the training is concerned, so what aspect of the training were you able to connect with the most? So everyone needs training on certain aspects, right? So when the training was done, so what aspect of the training helped you to become a better, consistent and profitable trader, what you are right now?
Actually, before training, I wasted my time in analyzing the stocks in Top Stock Research or iChart. After training, I will stick towards some bullish stocks only, some specifics only I will do it. Earlier, I did lot of stocks, 10 stocks, 20 stocks, like that I will do. 10 will fire, 10 will loss, like that only it was going. After training, no, earlier I attended a lot of free training, no use. If you pay money, then only we will focus towards the training. That is my point. Since we paid money, we will give more attention to the trainer, what he is telling. First we have to trust the trainer. Then we have to trust the NeoTrader software. Then only money will automatically flow to us. Trust is important. I attended lot of free training, paid training also, but that is not useful to me. This training is a live demo training, live market training, live support also they are providing. Then TradingView software, how to use TradingView software, that is also a very big training to me. It is very useful, that TradingView software. Earlier I used free version only, but that is not useful to me. Now it is a paid version. Now from you, I learned how to use TradingView software first. Right. Everything is available, but how to drive that, how to use it, that is important. No, that I learned from you, sir.
Yeah.
IT related support, automation training, how to use TradingView software, how to use pivot method. Like that, I learned a lot in the two training session. I learned a lot.
Yeah. So the best part is that,
Thanks. Many thanks. That IT support, TradingView software, no, it is very helpful.
yeah,
I
it's a very
learned you.
useful software, because the software by itself is very, independent and robust. A part of
Yes.
it is what is available in other broking platforms.
Yes. Correct.
Otherwise, the USP of the software as a whole, the USP of the software as a whole is, the independent software by itself is very good. So, and TradingView is the most reasonable and most powerful. Both is there. Reasonableness
Yes.
in terms of the investment which you got to make for the charting software, and in terms of the power what it has. And in TradingView also you can check out what other people are saying and what other people are telling about the same stock. So you get different views of what the same stock, and it makes it interesting, that way, that how other people are seeing the same thing. And I must admit that, many people know that you got to keep learning, but then you are a lifelong learner. That's what I call you. There are other lifelong learners also. Some of them have, they have repeated the 7 steps program. And like you rightly said, even when we go and do a program, when we do a training program, we also learn, just like how you are doing. And we also learn from others. We take feedback, we put it together, and that's how the this current season was designed. It's good that
Yes.
you enrolled, and you're already benefiting from the experience. Great.
Yes, true, sir. Actually, I have to thank you, and Mr. Sabir also. He also always show all technical knowledge through TradingView software only. In Q&A session, in
Yeah.
live demo market, he always prefer TradingView software only. See, sir, R3, above R3, S3, like that, he will explain like anything.
Yeah, because
That is
that
a
is a
plus
software
from
which, correct. We have used many softwares, but we have found TradingView to be much easier, and it is easier to use as well.
comfortable. It is a comfortable.
Right, right, right. So now you also mentioned that for your trading, enabling your trading, and also to take your trading to the next level. You are taken, like you said, you took NeoTrader, but you did not, you were not able to extract its full value of your investment. So that's why you went into training, and then you came back into NeoTrader. So, well, when you talk about NeoTrader Pro, there are many features which are available, but which is the feature which you are able to connect with better? Is there any?
Actually, yes,
Yeah.
yes, sir. I'm telling one example. For Monday trade, I have to select some stocks. In Saturday, Sunday, I will do some homework. Which
Okay.
stock I have to take it for Monday trade? For that, I will visit first the expert alert page only. In expert alert page, there is one tool is there. End of the day, potential reversal, end of the day. In that Nifty 500, it will show around 20 stocks. Then I will select Nifty F&O, it will show 4 stocks. Nifty 50, it will show 1 or 2 stocks only. That stock only I will write down in my diary.
Okay.
In Monday, I will check whether it is appearing in EOD follow through. That I will check. If it appears in EOD follow through, then I will check the stock is trading open low is same or not. That first I will check. EOD follow through, then open low same, then the stock should trade about 2%. Then any scoring system is available, 2 or 3 in bullish summary. In that also I will check. If everything it is filtered, then I will take the trade. Like you in training session, you told the dawn strategy. If
Yeah.
open low is same, then the stock will go up. Like that you told in dawn strategy. That strategy only I am following, because the risk is minimum. Capital is protected. You can enjoy 1% profit. That methodology only I am following. 1% profit, that is sufficient. Based on volume, sometime I will take 1,000 shares. If the market is plus 100 means I will take 1,000 shares. If the market is minus 30 means I will take only 100 shares. Depends upon the market condition also. If the market is in gap up, then I will take more volume, like 1,000 shares, 2,000, like 2,000 shares, like that I will trade.
So the market condition, from where are you evaluating? How do you evaluate the market condition?
Market condition from Rediff Money. Actually, one tool also I'm using in Rediff Money, top 5 gainers. I will note down that 5 gainers. The same 5 gainers, it will appear in NeoTrader also. So
Right.
stock trading about 2%. That also I will prefer. Then money, you told the money control also, you can check market conditions. In that also I will check. NSE, money control, Rediff money. Then finally for trade selection of stocks, I will use NeoTrader only. Expert alert, EOD follow through, open low same. Then scoring above 3 in bullish summary, in that it is specifying scoring above 3. That stock only I will prefer. Then sector also I will check whether the sector is performing 2%. That also I will check in dashboard. In dashboard, all sectors are there. For example, IT sector, if the IT sector is trading about 2%, I will prefer IT stocks. That IT stock should trade about 2%. Some stocks may open low also same. That stock only I prefer, sir. Only 3 points: dashboard, market view, expert alert, open low same. Like that, I will do some filtration process.
That's good.
In
And,
that Friday, Wipro appeared in that open low IT stock 2% like that.
Yeah, even you are posted on the same.
Yes. Like that only I am checking. That software is very useful to. It is reducing my time to analyze. It is a time saver first. Lot of stocks, 2000 stocks are there. How to filter it? 2000 stocks, no time. So expert alert is the best tool to filter the stock. Focus only 4 to 5 stock. That is the best one. I am using daily this one only, sir. Expert alert, EOD follow through, bullish summary 3, score above 3. Then I will use in trading view software, I will use only Fibonacci pivot only. That is a most reliable one. If the stock trade above R1, then I will take the trade. Book the profit at R3, finished.
Okay, that's good.
This is the methodology I am following.
So what do you think is the secret to consistent profits? What is your advice for the people who are watching us right now?
Consistent profit is first we have to not to be greedy. First point. If you get 1,000 rupees in a single day, that is sufficient. Sometimes you will get 10,000, sometimes you will get 5,000, but not all the day to get 10,000 per day is not possible at all. Earlier, I thought I will get 10,000 per day. I will get 10,000 per day. Like that, sometimes it gave me also. Continuously 5 days, it gave me 10,000, 20,000, like that. Heavy rainfall. It is like a money fall. Like that, I enjoyed a lot. Then later on, another 5 days, my profit is around 1,000 rupees. Sometimes minus 1,000 also it will be there. Minus 2,000. Market condition is like that. We don't know when money rain will fall. We don't know.
True.
So to avoid loss, we can choose NeoTrader. First, capital protection, and to avoid money loss, money erosion. To avoid that, we can use NeoTrader. That is my first point. We have to protect the capital first. Since I don't have job, so I have to protect my capital. So I need some tools. Like I need some tool. I am using NeoTrader as a tool and TradingView software as another tool. Then 7 steps training program. No, I note down all whatever sir that I note down in my diary. So before going for a trade, I will look my diary. What are all the steps? Stock about 2%, profit 1% only. Like that, I will go through that points. It is already recorded in my mind. Since I have attended 2 times, all points it is already recorded. No one can erase that.
Yes, that's the benefit of practice, which I always keep saying.
Yes, you told 3P.
Yes.
Process, practice, profit. Daily I am doing some process. Daily I am practicing. Sometimes loss also. I will accept my loss also. I will tell one example. In Monday, from NeoTrader, they given a call Apollo Hospital. Buy call. I bought 100 shares, 5 lakhs invested.
Yeah.
Same day stop loss was hit. I was shocked. I took the delivery. I took 100 Apollo Hospital as a delivery. Since I have enough capital, I took delivery. Next day it went to 150 rupees higher. Immediately I booked the profit. Third day, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday, it went like anything. 700 rupees gone. So leverage. You told many times you leverage. I am owning only nano car. How can I drive like a Audi car? It is not possible. That point is very useful. If you have capital, you can take delivery.
Yeah.
No capital means don't take delivery. Book the loss.
Correct.
So that is a lesson learned I learned. You told many times leverage.
Yeah.
You are having only Maruti Alto car. Don't drive like a Audi. Your car will be failed. Like that you many times told. So
because I have to keep on giving in examples also. Now every time I cannot keep giving example of market. So
I remember that slide.
Off track to connect with the market.
I remember your slide. One horse is flying in air.
Yeah.
over leverage.
Yeah, over leverage. Yeah. Leverage is good, but then anything of too much of anything is bad. That's what it is.
Actually, what lessons I learned during the 6 months is, if any stop loss hit means we should have enough capital to take the stock as delivery. That is my first point. If you
Right.
have enough capital, you can go up to stop loss also. Sometimes from stop loss, it is firing like anything. Minimum 5 to 10% it is firing. It is like a trend reversal. You many times you told from S3 it will fire like anything to pivot level. That
Right.
I observed in Apollo Hospital stock. Very
Yeah.
good classic example. Apollo Hospital stock. In the last week I traded that,
Yeah,
but
yeah.
luckily I
It
exited.
was on the action stocks, yes.
Uh, from NeoTrade they given one another offer also, CFO gain. That
Right.
also I am doing CFO gain also, because it is doing more filtration. From NeoTrader,
Yeah, yeah.
some filtration is going on. We have to select the stock. Since I don't have time, they are offering CFO gain also. They are filtering some stocks and they are providing that. For that also I am trading for intraday. I am doing only intraday only and option trade only. Since I have less capital, I am not doing futures. First point, I am not doing futures because I don't have sufficient capital. My capital is very less. So I am doing only intraday cash and option trade only. That also up to stop loss level, I will run it. Sometimes from stop loss, it will firing like anything.
True.
HCL Tech also did like that one time.
Okay.
The entry price is 32. It went up to 22. Stop loss is 16 rupees. Again, it's 5 to 42, 52 like that. It went to T3 also. That stock also Mr. Sabir explained in Q&A session. That also I saw. So we have to wait up to stop loss rate. That is the lessons learned I learned.
Good. So now if I talk about your loss, what has been your biggest loss so far?
Biggest loss is I took Yes Bank share. Yes Bank, that is a classic example.
Yeah.
I purchased around 20,000 shares. 20,000 shares. They told it will go 200 rupees, 400 rupees, like that they told. But it never worked. It is now around 13 to 14 rupees only. So the government itself blocked some quantity. The rest of the quantity I sold it at loss only, around 1 to 1.5 lakhs. What I learned is we should not trust on brokerage calls or newspapers like that. We should do our own analysis. At that time, I don't have NeoTrader. Yeah, 1 or 2 years back, I don't know. It is by guessing. Earlier,
Yeah.
how I trade means by reading newspapers, Wealth Plus. I will take some calls
That's how most
from
of the people
newspapers,
actually do.
brokerage calls. Yes, yes. I will trust brokerage calls. Then I will read Wealth Plus paper. In that, they will give some stocks recommendation. That are all guessing. It may fire, or it will not fire. Capital is mine only. I will lose my capital. They will give recommendation and they will go out. But money loss is for me only. Now, how can I ask to that brokerage or some people are giving calls? I cannot ask them.
Right.
So
right.
to avoid that only, I purchased a NeoTrader. The first thing is to filter the stocks, which is bullish side, which is bearish side. We should not buy bearish stock. Then our capital will be eroded. For
Right.
that only, I purchased that NeoTrader software. First, we should clear which stock we have to buy, which stock we should not buy. If the two things are very clear, our capital is protected. That is the lessons learned, sir.
Well
Yes
said,
Bank
well
and
said.
a huge loss. We should
Yeah.
not rely on penny stocks. You can call it as a penny stock. Yes
Yeah.
Bank. That is a huge loss. Around 1.5 lakhs, I lost at my capital.
That's why they
Still
say
holding.
penny wise,
That
pound
government.
foolish. That proverb is there now. Penny wise, pound foolish. There's a proverb.
Correct.
So
Penny.
that's
We
what
should not buy
happens.
penny stocks. That is the lessons learned I learned. I always prefer stock above 100 rupees only. 100 rupees only I will prefer the stocks. Not less than 10 rupees, 20 rupees. It is attractive, but it will kill our capital. Less than 20 rupees stock is very attractive. We can do more volume, more quantity, more loss also. That is the lessons learned I learned.
Correct. At least that good quality stocks will recover eventually.
Correct.
Okay. So
That is
now,
a
if I were to ask you, like, suppose your journey of your capital. So, what was your capital before you started your association with NeoTrader, Dr. Narayan, and everyone, and what is it now? So, what would it be in terms of, if you could quantify it?
yes. Actually, from April 1st onwards only, I am doing this intraday trading through NeoTrader software. First, I did intraday trading only in cash market only. I prefer cash market only. First 3 months, I prefer cash market only. Then after that only, after attending lot of Q&A session and live demo training, they shown some option page also. In option page, we can make some good money. If you have some capital, you can make some good money in option page also, like that they told. So I took some first call, I took ICICI Bank through Zerodha only. I don't know how to exit the position. The dramatic situation is it's showing profit 45,000. I took 4 lots because earlier I did manual through brokers. Sir, buy this call, sell this call. Like that, I through phone only. I called to Zerodha. They told press 1, press 2, press 3. Like that, they told. I don't know how to contact Zerodha also. Then I finally make a call to our neo trader, chart advisor Zabir. He shared his number. So I make a call to Shabir. Sir, please cut the position, sir. I don't know how to cut that position. It's showing 45,000 profit. Like that, I told. Then immediately that Duster from chart advice and Shabir, they came remotely, any desk, one software, they told any desk, you log in, they immediately they came and rescued me like anything. They told, they came online, sir, you click this, sir, you don't know how to exit. Oh, okay, I will exit. Like that, they did some work. You open this sell limit, like that, they finally exited. But the profit was reduced to 45 to 35,000. But I am happy only. I remember Shabir and Duster, they recovered me.
Good.
That is a very big drama happened when I took first online trade in Zerodha.
Okay.
I don't know how to exit. Totally confused. It's showing 45,000 profit means
Yeah, I know.
I was fully shivered. I don't know how to react it, first of all.
But the
When I called
only way to become a master is through practice. That's what they say.
practice. After that, I learned a lot in Zerodha how to place order, how to
Right.
place stop loss, how to
Yeah.
exit the position. That also a training only.
Yeah.
So training is very much needed. We can buy a car, but we don't know how to drive means it is totally waste. That is a lessons learned I learned.
Fantastic.
That is a very
So
very big
now
insight.
you feel so your overall capital has gone up considerably.
Yes. Actually, what I am doing is whenever I get profit, immediately I will ask a payout from Zerodha. This is my information to all.
Okay.
Whenever I get profit, 1 lakh or 2 lakhs within 15 days or 20 days, I
Yeah.
will transfer the fund from Zerodha to my account, ICICI Bank account. Then
Okay.
immediately I will go to bank. I will take the money, 2 lakhs in cash format. If you
Okay.
collect the cash in your hand, that is a very big happiness in your mind. That cash, no, I will collect 2 lakhs and then I will give it to my wife. You enjoy. You take this cash and spend for your family, for my family. To spend to family. Like that, I will give the cash to my family. They will be very happy. Oh, 2 lakhs. So whenever you make a profit, get payout from your broker account. Take the cash from ATM. Just feel the cash in your hand. It will give more confidence. It will give more and more confidence.
That's a
to you.
nice message to everyone. That's a nice message to everyone.
Yes. I am always weekly once I will take a payout from Zerodha.
Okay.
Weekly once I will take a payout from Zerodha. I will take immediately cash from ATM and over to family. Finished. Our job is finished. Our
Fantastic.
capital is protected. Profit is given to family. Finished.
Great.
That is the lessons learned.
That is the objective of participating in the
Yes.
market, right?
Because if I reinvest that money in the market means surely it will be diluted sometimes. So at least if the cash is kept at home, it will not be diluted. My capital is protected. Profit is safe at home. That is a lessons learned I learned.
Good.
You told many times, book the profit, book the screen profit. Many times you told, if the profit shows 10,000, immediately I will click exit position. 40,000 also exit. If any loss, don't worry. Take the stock as a delivery. Finished.
Great.
That is the lesson learned. Many times you told, book the screen profit, 1% profit. Like that, many times you told.
Yeah.
That are all recorded in my brain.
Very good. Very good. Good to hear that. So, how has your trading journey been so far with NeoTrader and the 7 Steps program and the continuous sessions which you keep attending? How has your trading life changed in the last few months?
It is like attending a college weekly. Minimum 3 to 4 times I am attending. Market view 3 to 1, market viewpoint 3 to 1 Wednesday. Thursday live demo trade. Since I know, but they will always brush my brain how to use it, how to use it like that. Thursday I will attend the training program. Friday Q&A session, I will attend the training program. Any training program arranged by NeoTrader, immediately I will register that because they are spending their valuable time to us. I always prefer live training only because in live training only we can capture more and more. If it is a recorded means the recorded movie it will play, we will do our own work. So it is not useful. So I will always prefer live demo training only. So from Q&A session, I learned a lot of lessons learned. They told I purchased in 32, it went to 22, but again it went to 62. That is a lessons learned. So the stock may goes down, means no need to fear. We can buy one more lot also. It is in Q&A session. They told one person asked, "Sir, your entry price is 32. It is trading at 22. Whether I should take the call or not?" Immediately he replied, "Sir, it is available in discount. Take the call." Like that they told. Earlier I have a fear. Entry price is 40 rupees. Now it is trading 30 rupees. Whether I have to take the call or not, like that I will think. But Shabir told many times in Q&A section, "Sir, if the entry price is at discount, take the call as granted. You will make more money. Our stop loss is reduced. Our target is very high. T1 means very big money." Like that I learned a lot in Q&A session. Special thanks to Shabir. First of all, special thanks to Mr. Shabir. He always doing Thursday demo trading, Friday Q&A session. That is very useful. Then from training, I want to share one more thing.
Yeah, please.
First, I thought this training cost is very high, 20,000. My friends are told, "Why you are attending training for paying rupees 20,000? It is too costly." Like that I told, "No, no. First I will attend. Then I will tell to you." Like that I told. In training class, you rightly told, if any stock trigger one stop loss, this training cost is nothing. Like that you told. That is the word recorded in my mind. So if any stop loss hit, it will surely to lose around 20,000. To avoid loss only, I am attending training. I told to my friends to avoid loss. For that only I am attending training because capital is needed for me. Like that I told. So second time also I attended. The same friend asked, "Why you are attending second time?" Again, to protect the capital, to avoid loss. That
Same
is the
answer.
2 points I want to share to you, sir.
Great.
Same answer. To protect capital, to avoid loss, to make some money in the market. Since I don't have job, I am a Corona trader. You can call me as a Corona trader or intraday trader. But final objective is to make money from market. You told many times we have to pick money from others' pocket.
Yes.
Otherwise, they will take money from our pocket. So the people, those who are intelligent, they will take money from other pockets. So I always prefer you have to take some money from other pockets. For that, training is needed. If you give third time also, I will attend the training. Because you rightly told, it will be erased from my mind. In another 30 days, what I learned is, it will be erased from my mind. So one more thing I would like to share. First I paid, actually I subscribed to NeoTrader Pro version only earlier. They told first you take light version, like that my friend told. No, I will take Pro 1 year. That cost is around, including GST, around 66,000. But that cost I recovered within two trades. When I purchased NeoTrader, I took some delivery calls.
Okay.
I got the money within 2 to 3 days. I got 60,000.
Fantastic.
That money also we can recover from stock market. Whatever you are investing in trading, whatever cost you are investing in software purchase or trading your software purchase, easily we can recover from market. That motivation should be from our side. This training is like a driving school. We should know how to drive a car. Like that I can explain to my friends.
Great.
I referred some friends also.
Sure.
By using NeoTrader, I referred to some friends also. You can reduce your time. You buy the software, your time will be reduced. Analyzing the stock itself, it is a hectic process. It will take, we have to spend more than 2 to 3 hours per day. But using NeoTrader, quickly within 5 minutes, we can identify the stocks. Which stock we should buy, which stock we should not buy. That we can quickly analyze in 5 minutes. Our job is finished. The rest of the hours, I can focus my time in market. Then one more lesson
do something else also.
Yes, I will go out. I will
market. You can spend time with your family.
Yes. My time is reduced. Mainly NeoTrader software is time saving.
Yeah. Great.
Then which stock we have to buy? That is very clear in NeoTrader. That is very useful to me. That is I observed in NeoTrader software. That's all.
So now, if once you've gone through this process and you have seen it so much, you've been there, done that. So if anyone asks you about your journey with ChartAdvice, would you recommend them to come forward and do the training program or go for NeoTrader?
Yeah, yes, sir. Yes, sir. Actually, many times I am receiving that training links through WhatsApp only. From that WhatsApp, I am sharing to my friends, those who are making continuous loss. They will ask me, sir, I am making continuous loss, 1 lakh gone, 5 lakh gone, like that. I shocked. I told you better attend my training along with me. You buy NeoTrader software means something is there blocking in their mind. Some block is there. If
Yeah.
you are sick, we have to go to doctor. We should not go to medical shop. It will be failed. You are like a doctor. Since I got some problem, I came to you. You troubleshooted very well, sir. First of all, I thank to you because you troubleshooted very well to avoid money loss. That money loss is first arrested.
Yeah.
Capital is protected. That 2 points I learned from you because we should not lose money in the market. It cannot be recovered. If you lost 5 lakhs or 10 lakhs, it cannot be recovered. It is like a one-way market. If you lost it, lost. You cannot recover. If you want to recover, we need 10 times more than capital. 10 times capital is required to recover that money. That is a lessons learned from this training session. So I always prefer capital protection only. That is a main point.
Great. So
Yes, sir.
it was a great session interacting with you, talking with you, getting to know about your perspectives, about yourself, the way you have thought about the market, your trading, and also your kind words about NeoTrader and training. So this is what we wanted to do always. We wanted to share whatever we learn because we always believe that learning is never stopping at a particular junction. It's always about a continuous journey. And as people board your journey, share with them whatever you know. And whatever I know keeps on changing all the time. And like you rightly said, both the seasons which you attended were vastly different. And the next time when I do some other program, it will be having some more different elements. And that's how we are going to move ahead. And with that, I come to an end of this new Super Trader series.
One more I want to share you.
Yeah.
You shown some commodity slide in training session 1 and training session 2 also. From that commodity slide, from that commodity, you told gold, crude oil, silver, like that. You told some word about commodity market. In commodity market also, I entered with the help of target calculator. You shared one Excel file. Whatever you shared, I am using it. That is the first point. We have to use it. In ChartAdvice dashboard, you have posted many number of videos, then Q&A session, then quiz program. Whenever I have time, I will attend that quiz program also. Sometimes I will get 70, sometimes I will get 90, sometimes I will get 100. That quiz program also very interesting. Whenever I have free time, I will go through that video also. TradingView, how to use TradingView software videos. Many times I watched. Then quiz program, that also many times I attended. Then I entered in commodity market also. You shown lot of slides about commodity market. That is also similar to equity market only. Yeah. But I am trading only in crude and silver only. For that, I don't know how to use it. So I picked that target calculator. You shared one Excel file, target calculator. I asked, sir, whether it is I can use it for commodity market. Yes, you can use it like that. You told. From that, I made huge money in commodity market, silver and crude oil. Around 1 lakh, I made a profit. I took money from the market also.
Fantastic.
Daily, morning 9:30 to 3:30, I will trade in equity. Then 2 to 3 hours rest. After 6 o'clock only, this commodity market will fire. It will go straight away gap down, or it will go gap up only. So after 5:30, we can trade for another 3 hours. We can make some 3,000 or 1,000. Sometimes it will give 30,000 also. So minimum 1,000 rupees, 2,000 rupees, 3,000. That is sufficient. For 5 lakhs capital investment, 5,000 is sufficient. I am not a greedy person. 5 lakhs, 5,000. Target is finished. 10 lakhs, 10,000. Target is finished. More than that, I will not expect from market. If it is giving 30,000 for 40,000, it is a bonus day. Monthly, once only I will get it. Example, ICICI Bank, I got 45,000. Bonus day. Then one more stock, IndusInd Bank. It gave 35,000. Bonus day. Monthly once we can get bonus. Not all 25 trading days. It is not possible. Then start with 1,000, end with 10,000. That is sufficient. Bonus we can get monthly once only.
Awesome.
Some people they are thinking, my friend is thinking, some options trade, it will fire like Indus Bank. Like that they are thinking. No, it is not like that. Indus Bank, it will fire monthly once. ICICI Bank, fire monthly once. Not all the day. That is the lessons learned I learned. Earlier I thought if I pick 4 to 5 option call, it will fire like Indus Bank. Like that I thought. No, it is not like that. Out of 5, only 1 is fired. Other 4, I will cut the position. Since I got big money in that one option trade, I will cut the rest for cost to cost. Then I would like to thank one more Dr. CK posted one message in NeoTrader Premium Group. In that chess game, he told, in chess game, you are in advance in power means you cancel all the power with the opponent. So you are a winner. That methodology only I am following. If I got 40,000 in one option trade, I will cut other 4 position because target is achieved. Finished, game over. That message is very beautiful. Then from Aditya Iyer, he told he always put some encouraging message in NeoTrader Premium Group. Thumbs up, great trading, keep going. Like that, they are giving some positive comment. No, that will give more confidence. That will give more confidence to make more money in market. That appreciation, people's all people's they are like appreciations. If you made some money, if some people, some top giants are appreciating, means they will feel very happy. They will make some consistent profit.
Yeah, that's
Aditya Iyer made me more comments. That appreciation, I like it, sir.
Yeah.
In
Everyone
NeoTrader
likes
Premium
appreciation.
Appreciation.
And, when you do good work and if somebody appreciates, you always feel even more encouraged to.
Yes, sir.
do the
Finally,
same thing again.
finally, I would like to thank first Meera ma'am only. Through paper ad only, I contacted Meera madam. She only guided me how to buy this NeoTrader, then how to get trained through 7 steps training program. Then she sent a lot of links. You attend the Q&A session, you attend live market, like that. Continuously, she is motivating like anything.
Great.
That then one more video I bought from NeoTrader is power trading with the RSI. That also I bought.
Yeah.
They told the cost is only 10,000. I recovered in the next day itself. So whatever I am attending training program or buying any purchasing any softwares and all, I will always recover from market through 7 steps training program. That is a point I would like to share here. So you can invest 1 lakh also. Quickly we can recover from market. So my money always already recovered from market. All training investment, software cost, profit, everything already recovered from market. Now I am sitting idle only. Sitting idle means watching the market, waiting for a best trade, waiting for a best trade.
Yeah.
Sometimes I will not trade also. Sometimes Wednesday or Thursday, I will not trade also. Simply I will watch. If the market condition is bad or not moving like anything, means I will not take a trade. I will watch the market and I will do some other work. I will focus on commodity. Evening time, I will focus on commodity. If equity is not giving any money to me, evening time, I will focus on commodity. It will give some money, 3,000, 4,000, 5,000. That is sufficient. So finally, I would like to thank first chart advice Meera madam, then our super trainer, Mr. Raja Venkatraman. Two times I have attended the training. The training is very useful. Then Shabir, technical analyst. Weekly twice I am chatting with Shabir also. Then Duster from chart advice. Both them guided me how to use Zerodha. That they recovered, they made many huge profit, 45,000. I told earlier also. Quickly they recovered with the profit around 45,000. Then Dr. CK sir, he is posting some articles in NeoTrader Premier Book. That also I am reading. That is also very useful. Then Aditya Iyer, he is also shown a lot of demo videos. That is very useful. He is appreciating the all peoples. That appreciation is very best from Aditya Iyer. Continuously he is appreciating. Great, good work. Keep going, keep rocking. Like that, he will put some messages. That is giving more confidence. Finally, I would like to thanks Mr. Raja Venkatraman sir. First time I attended the training program, I observed only 30%. Second time I attended the same training program. It is entirely different from the first session. So whenever I attend a training program, I am learning a lot. So now my observing powers now is 60 to 70% program. So I am eagerly waiting for the third session. So my request is you please arrange a training program in commodity also, at least in crude oil and silver, because most people, they prefer only crude oil, silver, natural gas. That is a high volume trade, making more. They are making more money
and volatile
compared
also.
to other commodities. Volatile. Daily silver 1,000 points movement, crude oil 100 points movement, natural gas 20 points movements. So my request is you please arrange a commodity training program so that I can get benefited from that. So
Sure.
I am driving my car in my own way in commodity market. I need a help from you. So you please
Sure.
arrange a training session in commodity market. And I asked in through chart advice, I asked you please give calls in NeoTrader for commodity market also. Since
Yeah.
both are same, people are telling both are same. At least you can give futures calls for commodity, for crude oil or silver or natural gas.
Yeah.
Only this
So
energy sectors.
correct. So like
Ah,
we have recently added the options module. So we are
yes.
working on it. So it is something under development and it will soon be released into new.
It is like a bonus. Through NeoTrader, we can learn equity and commodity.
Yes.
So time is also there. From 9:30 to 3:30, you can trade in equity. Evening 6:30 to 9:30, you can trade in commodity also. So it is like a bonus. So my sincere request is you please do a trading program in commodity market also. We are very eager to learn that also.
Definitely.
Thank you, sir. This much, that's all from my side. Thank you very much. Thank you to all chart advice team, NeoTrader support team, everyone who has appreciated, who have appreciated me well in, you opened in 7 steps Telegram channel, no? In that also I posted some profits. They appreciated. Appreciation gives more confidence. Making more money in the market is due to appreciation from others. That is a lessons learned from others.
Great.
It is very good, sir. It is a training also very good. You are giving mainly live support during market hours. Whenever I make a call, they will immediately reply through WhatsApp or email or phone. You are like a rescue team. People are in trouble means you are immediately coming and rescue the person. So if you make a call, then only people will rescue us. If you don't make a call, nobody will rescue us. So whenever I am in trouble, I will make a call to chart advice team only. They will rescue from the bad situation. We can
Thank
call.
you.
This is from my side, sir. Thank you, sir. Thank you so much.
Yeah,
Thanks for the opportunity to attend this live video recording.
yeah. So the first of all, I should thank you for sparing your time and giving us your entire journey, right from how you have stepped into the area of active trading to your understanding of NeoTrader, enhancement of usage of NeoTrader, understanding of training and using it better, doing it a refresh. So we have got a very, very good perspective of your entire journey. And I'm sure that those of you who are watching this video till the very end would have got very good idea about the need for going into the market, need for understanding the areas of weakness and how you can address them. So very beautifully addressed by Ambalavanan and very beautifully spelt out the need for practicing whatever you have learned again and again without focusing on the profits. So with that, I come to an end of this new Super Trader series with Ambalavanan, and I'm sure that all of you, those who are watching this, would be inspired to do the activity of trading in the markets in a much better way. Thank you so much for watching. We'll catch you in the next new Super Trader series.
Thank you, sir. Thank you so much.